Welcome to your new platform. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to manage your availability, conduct sessions, give feedback, all in one place. Let's get started. Once the admin adds you as a tutor, you'll receive an email invitation. You can join directly by tapping the link in the email or simply log in with your credentials on the platform. First, let's learn how to start a session. Go to Courses, and you'll see all your upcoming sessions listed on the right. Just tap Go Live to start. Sessions launch instantly with the platform's native Zoom integration. Once inside, you'll have access to all the familiar Zoom features, including live chat to engage with participants, a whiteboard for explanations, screen sharing to present slides or documents, breakout rooms for group activities, and even session recording if enabled. When your session ends, a quick feedback form will appear. Here, you'll mark the session status and record the credits consumed. For example, if the session was scheduled for 60 minutes, you can mark it as one session consumed. But if it runs longer, say 90 minutes, you can select Custom and record it as 1.5 sessions. This way, you can accurately track the actual duration and ensure billing and payouts are adjusted correctly. Next, note the topics covered and add any comments to keep a record of what was taught during the session. To schedule new sessions, open a course and tap on Schedule Sessions. Add the session name, duration, date, and time. Choose whether it's a one-time class, a weekly recurring session, or a custom pattern. Then click Create. If you need to make changes later, just tap Edit, and students will be automatically notified of the updates. Sharing materials is simple. Go to Contents, tap Add, and upload anything your students need: documents, presentations, videos, or links. Everything stays organized and easy to access. Now, let's look at how you can add your availability on the platform. To define when you're available, head to Working Hours in the left navigation. Tap Add Working Hours, set your schedule, and save. This lets the admin know about your availability. If you are not working on a certain date, you can mark it as leave. To do so, go to Leaves. Tap Add Leave, select full day or partial, pick your date and time, add a reason, and hit Add. Your schedule updates instantly. To share your day-to-day availability on top of your regular working hours, you can connect your Google Calendar. To connect your Google Calendar, head to your profile and tap Connect Calendar. Once synced, your personal calendar is mirrored in the platform, so if you block time in Google Calendar, it automatically gets blocked in the platform too, keeping everything in sync and preventing conflicts. If you are double booked or scheduled outside of your working hours, session conflicts will show here. The platform also provides a safe and secure way to communicate with your students. For quick and easy interactions, use the built-in chat to connect with them directly. And that's it. You're all set to focus on what truly matters, delivering great learning experiences for your students. The platform takes care of the rest.